Lawnmower safety tips. Always wear your personal protective equipment. Ear protection, protective glasses, work boots, and long leg pants. Check oil and refuel when the mower is cool. Check your oil on a cool engine. And refuel a cool engine only. Your safety and health is important to us. Never lift a lawnmower alone. Do not use your back to pull the starter cord. Do not pull the lawnmower backwards. Always keep your hands away from the discharge chute. Always work towards the traffic flow. And pick up and remove any hard objects from the lawn. Remember to remove the spark plug before checking the underside. Take special care when mowing a slope. There is a correct and incorrect way.